I left the hospital in a wheelchair. A wheelchair? Me, who had been so active, who had to be active. And sort of was like, I don't know if I could accept all of that. I guess I didn't realize it. It just sort of crept up on me. My heart was getting weaker and weaker over the years. And I mean, I couldn't even barely go and see my grandkids because I just didn't have any energy. My doctor sat on the edge of the bed and he gave me a quality of life conversation. And he said, well, you're in heart failure. And I was like, heart failure? He said, I want you to research something. He wrote it down. He said, it's called CardioMEMS. So I started researching it. He said, I've been trying to get it here at the hospital, but they're not moving as fast as I think you could benefit by it. And then I decided I'm going to write a letter that says, I really feel we should have this at our local hospital. Why won't you try this for me? I think it'll work. They listened to me, and I was the first CardioMEMS patient in the local hospital.
She had the CardioMEMS inserted. It's much better control of her medication, prevents her from going in the hospital, and, that's a great thing.
It is a monitoring system that's in my pulmonary artery, which shows my heart pressure.
CardioMEMS just changed our lives, not just hers. It changed all of our lives. Her doctor gets a chance to see how she is doing from afar, to be able to treat her, maintain her medication, alter her medication as needed, and put her on some medications that she wouldn't normally be able to take had she not had the CardioMEMS. I'm not quite sure that there could be much more of an upgrade of technology than that.
Today's not my last day. Are you kidding? I feel so good now. I love to travel. Oh, do I love to travel. It's very easy to travel with it. And then for doing your reading, just get on the bed, and I'm done in a matter of maybe 3 minutes, and I'm done for the day.
Rather than revolving our lives around a doctor's appointment or a hospital visit or a blood test, our lives are revolved around spending time with family.
It's really funny because I don't feel I'm getting older. I feel I'm getting younger. CardioMEMS was life-changing for me, and I'm looking to the future. There's so much more that I can do.